Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Here's your underhood fuse box right here. To release the cover, there's a little lock right here, and there's one on the back side as well. So you lift that up like that. The key is on top, so you can figure out which fuse goes where. So like this third one down, it's a 15 amp, and that's for the front fog lights. And that's there. There is no special tool to pull the fuses out, so you would need some like needle nose pliers to pull them out. You pause for it. So we can use some needle nose pliers to pull these out, just like that. You can look at it and see that the fuse is good. You can also test these with a test light. Put the test light on ground, and with the key on, you can probe these terminals right here, see if they work. To reinstall the fuse, you just put it in the needle nose and push it right back down. Make sure it's down all the way. There's some relays right here as well. To reinstall the cover, you just slide it down until it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.